How to enable auto delete messages on Telegram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily turn on the auto delete messages option on Telegram. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open Telegram application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now go to the chat where you want to set up auto delete messages. And once you are here, tap on the three dots at the top right. You might find the auto delete option right here. If you don't see it, tap on the profile name, and once you tap on it, tap on the three dots at the top right. Then you can find the option for auto delete. Tap on it. Then you can set it up for 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or if you want custom time, you can do that as well. So I'll just tap on custom, and then you can easily set up your days over here. So let's say if I want it to be 1 day, I can just select 1 day, tap on set auto delete. Now, once you have done that, you'll be good to go. Let me just quickly go over to this chat here and then select this option to start a secret chat with this person. Now I can just tap on the three dots and then tap on start secret chat over here. Once you've started your secret chat, you can just tap on your messages and tap on the profile. Then you can find the self-destruct timer over here. You can just tap on it and you can easily set up your self-destruct timer. So I'll just set it up for 3 seconds and then tap on done. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.